Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This is Arnaud from Evocative and today we're going to show how to build a lead attraction campaign through a giveaway. So let's get down to business. Welcome back guys to the Direct Heroes main flowchart, to this white screen of imagination where today we're going to pull another crazy funnel, crazy useful funnel site. If you want to see more simple flows coming on the following videos, please click the button down below and subscribe to this channel. It truly helps and causes a huge difference. So without more hesitation, let's start. Today we're going to build a client attraction, a lead attraction funnel through a giveaway. Okay, so as you know, new flow coming in with a trigger, a keyword, let's say give away. Excuse my writing if I misspell some words. Yeah, so giveaway. Then we are going to add a tag. It's very important to add a tag. How we are going to add this tag? So we are going to put the name of the campaign, in this case giveaway, and /down subscribe. Okay, in order to see that this user has been entering our campaign. And then we are going to pull out here a message. So what are you going to pull out on this message? First, we are going to thank for their visit. Remember the curly braces in order to put the full name function. Remember also that this will help us to introduce the name of the user on our funnel, so we'll get more customized. So first we're going to thank them. Hi, full name. Thanks for being interested in our giveaway. Now you've completed first step, because we are going to do a double step verification, and then we are going to ask for their mail, so we'll get this contact. Okay, you've completed the first step of the process by replying to our story. In that case, could be a post also, or could be just a message, a call to action to send us a message, so there's no worries about it. Replying to our story. Now follow the instructions to end up with the registration correctly. We are going to set a delay as always, about 10 seconds is good enough. Oops. Great. And then, as you see, another text. For this second step, I need an email from you in order to verify your registration. Important here, we have the disclaimer of the GDPR law about cookies and data protection. It's important to mention that, although we could be in some trouble if not, but always Direct Heroes is following the rules, so we are not in any case, in any meaning, we are breaking the terms of service of Instagram or the GDPR law, but just we have to make it clear just in case. Okay, by providing us, in that sense, by providing your mail, you are also agree with our GDPR policy terms. Great. So here is where the fun starts. Okay, we are going to add a trigger in that sense, and this time is going to be for the user input function. This lets us collect either mail or phone number. In that case, we are going to collect a mail, and afterwards it just automatically pulls out an action, a tag in this case, telling us that the email has been collected. We could change this tag and also put giveaway with the same as we did. Look, giveaway subscribe. So giveaway Loki subscribe or email collected. That's email collected. So in that sense, we know truly the people who has enrolled himself with the keyword. And now we're going to set out a message saying thanks, we've collected your mail successfully and you completed the second step, 2 out of 2. So now up to this point the work is already done. See, it's a very simple funnel. Okay, here we could claim the action, for example, saying also here you have a discount code applicable to our best seller products, and here you could link the page, in that case as always. But the sense is that you could end up giving some value. Okay, the funnel is already done, and also you could start adding for example some delays in order to do on the following days this following up action, in order to try to take advantage of this warm lead in order to make it him convert in that case or something. But the main idea is here. Okay, so in that sense, taking advantage of a giveaway, we are ending up creating an email list of potential leads in that case that are going to convert hopefully in good clients and good reliable clients. So as always, let's head back to our phone in order to see how this funnel is working. Remember that we're starting our keyword with giveaway. So here we see how Arnau is appearing. Remember the curly braces command in order to make appear the username of the user in that case. Take a look at this second message that is appearing, that is asking for the mail. Remember that the mail is get it with character at character.com. It catches the mail itself, the mail address itself. If I would put some other word, it wouldn't count as a mail. Okay, and then we are seeing how this thankful message by having spread the mail stands out, and then how this link is opened, in that case our web, but could be, as the funnel says, a discount code. So that's it. So as you know, I would like to go through the main key points of this video. I will try to not extend myself a lot because we have been through already during all the video. So first things first, we are talking about a 2-steps giveaway, firstly with a keyword and then with a mail that will make our list of contacts grow in that sense. Secondly, we have to mention the GDPR law and its acceptance by the consumer. That's very important because we're managing with personal data and could lead us in some problem. Third point, the mail collection option. Remember that we have been using the user input option in the type of mail. Remember that we have also the phone. And last but not least, the importance of tagging once on the entering when they start the campaign, and then after giving the mail. Remember how we wrote those tags. So that would be pretty much it. Thank you for having been here. Remember that you have all the links in the description below, together with a link that gives you access to the software. And then remember that we are already playing. We are game changers. That's all now, and see you on the next video.